What is up guys, Standard this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to your desktop in the Windows 11. So first you need to right click on the desktop and then you need to click on personalize. After clicking on personalize, the settings menu will open. From here, you need to scroll down and then you need to search for themes. As you can see, these are the themes. Click on this and after that scroll down and then click on desktop icon settings. After clicking here, you will see all your desktop icons. So whatever icons that are selected are on your desktop already, but if you want the computer icon and let's say the user files icon and the control panel icons on your desktop, just simply check these and then click on OK. And after that, these icons will be added to your desktop. And as you can see, these are the icons that I have added, and these are added to my desktop here. And this is how you can add the icons to desktop. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.